Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete education entries from your LinkedIn profile. Whether you need to remove outdated information or simply want to clean up your profile, this process is straightforward and takes just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. You'll be taken to the LinkedIn homepage where you need to sign into your account. Enter your email address and password to access your profile. This ensures you have full editing capabilities for your personal information. Once you're successfully logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll see your profile section with your photo and basic information displayed. Go ahead and click directly on your profile. This will take you to your full profile page where all your professional details are laid out, including your work experience, skills, and educational background. Now that you're on your profile page, it's time to locate the education section. Scroll down through your profile until you find the area labeled Education. This section displays all the schools, universities, and educational programs you've added to your profile over time. It's usually positioned after your Experience section, so you might need to scroll a bit depending on how much content you have. And when you spot the Education section, look for the pencil icon located beside the Education heading. This pencil icon is your gateway to editing this entire section. Click on it to open up the editing interface for your educational entries. After clicking the pencil icon, you'll see a list of all the educational institutions you've added to your profile. Each entry will have its own pencil icon beside it. Find the specific education entry you want to remove and click the pencil icon next to that particular entry. This opens up the detailed editing window for that individual education item. Inside this editing window, you'll see all the details you previously entered for this education, such as the school name, degree, field of study, and dates attended. At the bottom of this window, you'll notice a button that says Delete Education. Click on this button to remove the entry completely from your profile. And that's it. The education entry has been successfully removed from your LinkedIn profile. Your profile will now reflect only the educational background you want to showcase to potential employers and professional connections. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.